Hi, and welcome to picoCTF 2018, and this is problem number 19. Client side is still bad for 150 points, and it's our second web exploitation here. And the problem is, I forgot my password again, but this time there doesn't seem to be a reset. Can you help me? And the hints here, client side really is a bad way to do it. So let's open the link and see how this web page looks. Welcome to the secure login server. Please enter your credentials to proceed. In Norway, as far as I remember, I think the minimum characters that you need to put in is 8 with a capital letter and the number. I'm not sure how it is in the United States, but I think that the USA Jobs website also wants a special character. But before we do anything, we just gotta try something here, right? So how about password? Just to see. And that's incorrect. And how about nothing? And that's incorrect. Alright. So what we need to do here is, it said client side is bad, right? So we need to actually go in here on either view page source or inspect element. Inspect element, I guess, is the correct one, but we're going to try view source here just for the fun of it. And we have to admit the client side is really bad, right? Because you see here, alert, you got the flag, else incorrect password, and we see Pico already here. But we're not going to look at it through view source. I just wanted to show you that you can actually do that on some pages. But there is one thing I want to show you. Now, if I'm here just somewhere on the page and take inspect element, it's going to give me some of the information, right? I'm still in inspector here and not the debugger. But if I go in on the login, I'm not doing anything but hovering over the login here, and I take inspect element, it's already going to mark that space for me here with the login. And the same thing if I go in where the password is going to be and inspect element, it is actually going to mark the space where the password is. It just makes it easier for you, right? But right now we're going to go in on the debugger here, and you can see that they have split the flag up into different elements here. So all you have to do is just put them together, and then you got the flag. And you see the bracket here, and then you see the ending bracket over here. So we'll do that. I've just opened a new document here, and we can write it in pico and then CTF, and we have that bracket. Then it says client, and then underscore IS underscore bad, and then underscore 9117 E9, and then the closing bracket, like that. And we can copy this, and we can close this debugger, And we already have the flag now, but why don't we just put that in here also, paste it in, and log in, and you got the flag. Alright, so we're on the right track here. Now we can move back to our problems page and see if we can paste it in and submit. And that's correct. And we solved one more problem in web exploitation. And that's about it. This is all about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and probably PHP also, I guess. And until next time.